So in this video, I'm going to use a case study of two small business CEOs, Tyler and Tameeka. And the topic is selling to Africa and from Africa. It appears that women CEOs, including African and African American CEOs, have joined the trend towards cross-continental commerce in the beauty and skincare industries. So we'd like to present Tyler and Tameeka. In an increasingly interconnected world, small business CEOs Tyler and Tameeka stand at the forefront of a globalized business industry. Tyler, who is a Senegalese entrepreneur, owns a thriving hair braiding salon in Africa that has expanded into manufacturing hair and skincare products. Simultaneously, Tameeka from Atlanta is eager to introduce her skincare products to the African market. So in this video, we explore the dynamics of selling beauty products between Africa and the West, delving into market trends, logistics, barriers, and the potential for success. So the skincare/beauty market, a global perspective. The skincare and beauty industry is a multi-billion-dollar global market with consumers seeking quality products that enhance their natural beauty. The industry's growth is driven by increasing awareness of skincare routines, beauty trends, and the pursuit of wellness. As both Tyler and Tameeka consider expanding their businesses, understanding the market dynamics is crucial. So let's look at marketability of African products in the West. So African beauty products are gaining traction in Western markets due to a growing appreciation for diverse and natural ingredients. Consumers are increasingly seeking unique, authentic, and ethically sourced products. Tyler's African manufactured skincare products, rooted in traditional beauty practices, can leverage this trend to find a niche in the Western market. So let's look at the opposite, selling to Africa from the West. So Tameeka in Atlanta. Tameeka's interest in entering the African market aligns with a rising demand for international beauty brands. African consumers appreciate high-quality products from abroad, offering a potential avenue for Tameeka to introduce her skincare line. However, understanding local preferences, cultural nuances, and ethical considerations is essential for a successful market entry. So, about the market trends in both directions. So, Tyler and Tameeka, Tyler being in Africa, Tameeka in Atlanta in the United States, should pay attention to market trends on both continents. The rise of clean beauty, sustainable practices, and a focus on wellness are universal trends. Adapting products to meet these preferences can enhance marketability in both regions. As for logistics, navigating the logistics of cross-continental trade requires strategic planning. Tyler and Tameeka should consider reliable shopping partners, efficient supply chains, and compliance with local regulations to ensure seamless distribution. As far as barriers to entry into both markets, despite the potential, you should know that there are challenges. Both entrepreneurs, Tyler and Tameeka, must address regulatory hurdles, cultural differences, and adapt their marketing strategies. Collaborating with local distributors and influencers can help overcome these barriers. So, should you pursue or not pursue a business in Africa, or if you are in Africa, from Africa towards the West? For Tyler, who's in Africa, expanding to the American market offers an opportunity to showcase the richness of African beauty practices. Tameeka, on the other hand, can find success in Africa by providing quality products aligned with local preferences. Success hinges on understanding the markets, building strategic partnerships, and adapting to diverse consumer needs. So, in conclusion, as Tyler and Tameeka embark on their cross continental beauty journeys, they should navigate with a blend of cultural sensitivity, market awareness, and adaptability. The global beauty industry is evolving, and with the right strategy, both entrepreneurs can contribute to a more inclusive and diverse beauty landscape. Thank you for listening. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to help us grow in the algorithms, and come back for more. That's very important that you come back and check out our new videos and support us as we try to support you in your business endeavors. So have a wonderful day and see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.